Hey tech lovers, welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of smartphones. Today we're taking a close look at the Vivo V40. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Design and elegance. The Vivo V40 is a stunner with its sleek design and premium build. It's got a certain elegance that you can't help but admire. But it's not just about looks. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold too. Display and visuals. Moving on to the display, the Vivo V40 boasts a 6.78-inch screen with vibrant colors and deep contrasts, thanks to its AMOLED panel. It's a treat for the eyes whether you're gaming or watching videos. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Vivo V40 is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM. It's snappy, responsive, and ready to take on your daily tasks with ease. Camera system? The camera on the Vivo V40 is something special. With a 50-megapixel main sensor, you can capture moments with clarity and detail. It's versatile too, with multiple lenses to suit all your photography needs. Battery life. Let's talk battery life. The Vivo V40 comes with a 5,500 milliamp hour battery, which means you can go longer between charges. And with 80-watt fast charging, you'll be back up and running in no time. Software experience. The Vivo V40 runs on Android 14 with FunTouch 14, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. It's clean, it's fast, and it's loaded with features that you'll actually use. Final thoughts. The Vivo V40 is a compelling package. It's got the looks, the power, and the camera prowess to stand out in a crowded market. But is it the right phone for you? We'll let you be the judge of that. Conclusion. Thanks for watching our deep dive into the Vivo V40. If you liked what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Until next time, stay savvy and keep loving tech.